Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're here with another quick tip from our Don't Say series. Before we get started, don't forget to check out the other videos in this playlist for more ways to upgrade your English skills. All right, let's dive in. So today's phrase is one we all use, I don't know. Now, there is nothing wrong with it, but if you use it too often, it can make you sound uncertain or even disinterested. Let's fix that. Instead of saying, I don't know, try these. I'm not sure, but I'll find out.
Not sure. I'll find out.
Thank you.
I'm not sure, but I'll find out.
I don't have the answer right now, but I'll get back to you. Or even, that's a great question. Let me check and get back to you.
Right. Let me check on that tomorrow and get right back to you.
These show you're engaged and willing to learn, even if you don't have the answer right away. See the difference? Instead of shutting down the conversation with, I don't know, you're keeping it going and showing that you're proactive. These small changes can really improve how people perceive you in conversations, whether at work, school, or even just hanging out with friends. If this tip was helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And don't forget to check out the rest of the videos in this series for more tips to help you sound like a native English speaker. See you in the next one.